about all these roles, are there any certifications which are available from the salesforce.com, to get certified on these roles? Yes, there are a few certifications. Let's understand those certifications as well. So first is the administrator role, and for administrator there are two certifications, ADM 201 and ADM 211. Okay. So for 201 you need to have the following concepts: manage users, data security, maintain customized sales cloud, build reports, dashboards and workflow. This 201 certification is basically the basic admin certification. Okay, and for doing this certification you need to have these concepts. 211 is the advanced admin certification, and for that you need to have this knowledge. You should be able to leverage the advanced administration capabilities of Salesforce. You should be able to optimize the extend Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. You should be able to extend those applications. You should be able to design advanced reports, dashboards and all those things. So that part is what is required. Okay, for advanced admin certification. Then for developers there are again two certifications, Dev 401 and Dev 501. Dev 401 is the basic developer certification where you need to have the following concepts: build custom application using point and click capabilities. Now the best part of this 401 certification is there is no programming required here. You just need to develop application using point and click capabilities, the declarative side of it, right? Design the data model, user interface, business logic, all these things, everything using the declarative method, point and click. Okay, so 401 certification is more of whether you know how to develop applications using point and click. 501 is where your programming knowledge will be checked, Apex and Visualforce. So for those who do not know, Salesforce uses two programming languages, one is Apex, one is Visualforce. Visualforce is the language which is used for front-end interface design. Apex is the language which is used for back-end logics. Okay. So we can have our Apex used for putting all the back-end logics in the Salesforce, and Visualforce can be utilized for designing the front-end interfaces, right? So 501 is the certification, 501, where these Apex Visualforce concepts will come. Okay. So in case you are planning to get certified on Salesforce, you can get certified on Dev 401, and it's pretty easy to get certified because there is no programming, so no complex thing there, right? And most of the times companies ask for 401. There are very rare companies which ask for 501, right? Then for implementation expert, again there are two certifications, Sales Cloud Consultant and Service Cloud Consultant. So Sales Cloud Consultant is an implementation expert who understands the sales processes pretty well. He should be able to design sales and marketing solutions. And a Service Cloud Consultant is a person who should be able to design the customer support solutions, right? Design contact center solution, customer support solution, cases, knowledge base, portals, these kind of things, right? So that is for an implementation expert. Technical architect that we talked about, he does not need any training, he does not need to know Salesforce and all. He needs to understand the technical architecture solution and from multiple things. So for that there is no training or nothing provided by Salesforce. Basically that is technical architect. You become with your experience. So people with 8 years, 10 years of experience on different platforms, different frameworks, they can go for this, right? So here the questions will be pretty common, so they will not ask any questions related to Salesforce. Other certifications that we talked, those are pretty much related to Salesforce. The questions are from the Salesforce itself, but for technical architect, this is all for your technical knowledge that you have. So those are all common questions, right? So that's about the roles and certifications, right? So that is it. So I think the next thing that you might want to